Hello.
Hello. Yeah, hi Raman.
Hi,
Are
hi,
you able to
hi.
hear me?
Yes, yes, very clearly. Okay.
Okay, great.
Yeah, so shall we start?
Yes, yes, sure.
Okay, so I have shared my screen. Can you see that?
Yes, I can see that.
Okay, good. So before we start, just give me a little bit brief about yourself, like where you are working currently, what you are doing, and like any previous experience of German, what is the exact requirement, little bit, just let me know, and then
Mm-hmm.
we'll start with our topic. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Hmm.
So currently I'm living in Germany since last 5 months and I'm over here. And I would like to do this German language classes because for the PR purpose. So
Mm-hmm.
that's why I would like to reach to at least level B1 so that I'll
Mm-hmm.
be eligible for that.
Okay,
And
good.
about the previous German learning experience, I learned something I from the YouTube and from Udemy and everything.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay, good.
yeah, basically, I've started it, but not
Mm-hmm.
that much.
Yeah, okay, good, good, good. Okay, so let's start now, right? Now you will learn it in all detail, okay? So 10 times more than what you have seen in that Udemy and YouTube and all. Now you will see in thorough detail all the rules and all. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so I have sent you some videos on WhatsApp. Did you watch those videos? I told you to watch.
Yes. One video,
Hmm.
I watched it. It
Hmm.
was around 52 minutes video,
Hmm.
and this
Hmm.
only the ABCD and all
Exactly,
the
exactly.
starting video.
Right, right. So were you able to understand something from that?
Yes. I was able to get it.
Okay, good. So let's start now. See, I've shared my screen. No need to write down anything. All this PDF, video, everything I will be sending you. Just try to enjoy the lecture and try to retain everything in your brain. Okay, try to remember the things.
Yeah.
Don't worry for all these notes and all. You will
Mm-hmm.
get all the PDF and all. You can take the printout later. Okay. Yeah,
Oh,
so whenever
sure.
we start the language, now we start with the script first of all. We start with the letters, we start with the ABCD, what script is there, what letters are there, what are the letter names, what are the letter sounds, before we move on to sentence framing and grammar. Okay, so see, German, as you know, it is also European language, right? It uses the same Roman list of letters, same Roman alphabets which you have in English. Okay, the script is
Mm-hmm.
same A B C D E F G H, same 1 2 3 4, everything is same. Only difference is that the sounds are different, the pronunciation is different. Okay, in
Mm-hmm.
English we have
Yeah.
one ABCD called ABCDEFGH. Here we have one ABCD called as ABCDEFG, like this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that is the difference. The letter names are totally different. In English, you say ABCD, here they say ABCD. So the letter names are different, and parallelly, the sounds are also little bit different, not exactly same what you have in English. So that's why this topic becomes very important, because if you want to get good in the reading part, if you want to read out something like a native, then you need to understand these rules and you need to remember these rules. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
without these rules, the language becomes very difficult. They write something else, they speak something else, until unless you have not done the rules properly. So before starting with the grammar, we'll devote some time on these pronunciation tricks and all. Okay, so I am playing one video first of all in front of you, that same ABCD video which you have seen in the previous videos. Okay, try to
Mm-hmm.
listen to it. I'll play it 2 3 times and then we will see how to use it. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y und Z.
Once again.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y und Z.
Yeah, I'm playing it once again. Listen to it once again.
Mm-hmm.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y und Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y und Z.
Okay, good. So now try to speak with me. Okay, speak A B C D.
Mm-hmm. A, B, C, D.
Yes, good. A F G.
A, F, G.
Ha I yacht ka.
H, I, J, K.
L M N O P.
L, M, N, O, P.
Q R S T.
Q, R, S, T.
U V W.
U, V, W.
And then X Y Z.
X, Y, Z.
Yes. Okay. X
Yeah.
Y Z. Okay. Simple. Got it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So once again, speaker once again. A B C D.
A, B, C, D.
A F G.
A, F, G.
Ha I yacht ka.
H, I, J, K.
L M N O P.
L, M, N, O, P.
Q R S T.
Q, R, S, T.
U V W.
U, V, W.
X Y Z.
X, Y, Z.
Now, what is the purpose of learning this ABCD? Just suppose you are telling your name to some person and he's writing your name and the person doesn't know English. Okay, so at that time, if you tell the spelling of your name as Anjuri, the person will not be able to understand. Okay,
Yeah.
so you have to use the German list of letters A, N, J, U, R, E. Okay, then K, A, L, A, E, Y, and then A. Something like this. So that is the purpose of this. Or if
Yeah.
you have any capital letter in front of you, like BMW, you will not say BMW, you will say BMW. CD, you will not say CD, you will say CD. Okay, whenever you have any capital letter in front of you, you will not use the English list of letters, you have to use the German list of letters.
Sure.
Right, so we'll practice these.
Yeah.
Okay, I've sent you the video also. If you want, you can download the video, listen to it. Okay, I'll give you 5 minutes of time. I'm giving you one task. What we will do, I'm giving you some names, I'm forwarding you some names. Okay, so with which we will be practicing these letter names what we have done just now. We will be practicing them by through these names. Okay, we'll practice some names. We'll try to spell out the letter names which are there in these names, and I'm adding your name as well. Okay, so I'm giving you 5 minutes of time. You can just go through the video once again if you want, and then try to execute these names. Okay, one I'm solving for you, Vishnu. That will be like something like Fao E. Okay, Fao E.
Yeah.
S Ha N U. Then Fao E N O De Ha. Something like this. Two I've done from top. Okay, so take 5 minutes of time. Go through it. Once you're ready, let me know. We'll start discussing them one by one. Okay. Yeah.
Sure.
And I sent the video also. If you want, you can go through the video. Okay, whatever, I'm giving you 5 minutes of time. Once you're ready, then we'll start.
Yes, yes. Yes, I'm ready now. Hello? Hello?
Start from the first name, from Vishnu.
Yes. Okay. Fau, E, S, Ha, N, U.
Good. Next.
Yeah. Fau, E, N, O, De, Ha.
Next.
S, E, Fau, A, G, U, M, A, D, E.
Next.
Pe, O, Ve, A, L, L, G, A, O, R, G, A.
Very good. Next.
Fau, E, N, A, Te, Ha, A, R, A, O.
Next.
L, A, K, S, H, M, E.
Next.
R, O, Fau, A, L, D, S, O, U, Z, A. Next is Ga, A, U, R, A, Fau, S, H, A, R, M, A.
Next.
Then S, A, N, T, U, S, E, N, H, A.
Next.
S, E, B, E.
Bay and then again E. Okay. Both are E. I is called E.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Next is P, A, Fau, A, N. Sorry, A, N, K, U, M, A, R. M, A, H, A, S, H. Then M, A, N, E, S, H, S, O, M, A, N, E.
Next.
D, A, P, A, K.
Yeah.
Then A, K, T, A.
No, A. Okay. A, B, C, D, A again, not A. That's called A. E is called A. A, Ka, Te, A. Okay.
Yes, yeah. Okay.
Next.
Yeah. C, H, A, E, T, A, N, Epsilon, A, M, E, S, H, R, A. Then R, E, S, H, A, B, H, A, L, T, O, R, A. Then G, A, N, A, S, H, B, E, S, H, T.
Okay. Next, your name.
Yes. Okay. A, N, J, U, R, E, K, A, L, A, E, Epsilon, A.
Okay. Good. Okay. So now you got the utility of this. Why we are learning the ABCD. Okay. Whenever you have any capital letter in front of you, you will always use the German list of letters. Okay. Okay. So do one thing now. Just one last time, speak the ABCD once again. Okay. Without seeing the video, try to repeat all the ABCD. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Speak that.
Yeah. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, E, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y und Z.
Okay. Und means and. So X, Y, and Z. X, Y, Z.
Yes.
Okay. Got it? Yeah. So this is the letter name, right? Now we have to start with the actual topic, that is the sound. So far we have just done the letter names, right? When you call me R-A-M-A-N, you call me Raman, you don't call me R-A-M-A-N. Okay, so R-A-M-A-N is the letter name of which my name is made of, right? When you speak a word, we use the sounds, right? We use the sounds, that okay, R sound is R, so that is what we have to do. Sounds we have to do now. So I have shared my screen. Can you see that?
Yes.
Okay. So as I told you, we have the same Roman list of letters from A till Z. Okay, two parts are there. Vowels are your A, E, I, O, U, and consonants are B, C, D till Z. So first of all, I am making one table. The table is whenever any word in German, if it is ending with B, D, or G. Any word, if it is ending with B, D, or G. Ending means in the end of the word is B, D, G, B, D, or G is coming. Then respectively, the sound will be pa, ta, and ka. Okay. Respectively, the sound of that B, D, and G in the end will be pa, ta, and ka. So if you see the example there, right? G, I, B. So B in the end is pa. Speak geep.
Gip.
Then K, I, N, D. D in the end is ta. So speak kint.
Kint.
And next is TAG. So G in the end is ka. So speak tak. Don't say tag, you will say tak. Okay?
Tak.
Yeah. So the greeting is guten Tag. Never say guten Tag, you will say guten Tag. Right? 99% these rules are applicable. 1% you might get some exceptions also. Example, MAG is there, so we don't call Mag. We say Mag only. Normal. Ishmag. Okay? But 99.99% you have to always follow these rules. These are like 119% they are applicable. Okay?
Okay.
Now we are starting with one first letter. First letter is A. So A is having two sounds. What are the two sounds? First sound is A. A like car. Car of English. A. And second sound is A. A like Raman, Aman. That is the A sound. Clear? How you will decide which will come? You have to count the consonants. What you will count? You will count the consonants coming after A. What are consonants? This B, C, D till Z, these are called consonants. Okay? Right? From the ABCD, this B, C, D till Z, apart from the A, E, I, O, U, the remaining letters are consonants. So you have to count the consonants coming after A. In the word, you have to count the consonants coming after A directly. Directly means without any other thing in between, directly. So if you see ALT, how many consonants after A directly?
Two.
Okay. Then FRAGEN, after A, how many?
One.
Because only G is there. Because after G we have E. So we'll stop the counting here. Only one. Okay. Then TRAGEN, after A, how many?
One.
Okay, good. Now the rule is after A, if you get one consonant directly, if you get the count one, sound will be A like car. Example, fragen and tragen. Speak.
Fragen and tragen.
And if the count is more than 1, 2 or 2 plus anything, it will be A like alt. Okay? Got it? Simple? Alt. So don't make it alt, that's called alt. 30% A and 70% alt. Right?
Alt.
Exactly. Next is E. E is having the normal A sound. That E is not having any counting. So normal A sound. Normal A. I'm not talking about letter A. The A sound A. Example, in mathematics you have one word called area. Area of rectangle. So area A. Okay. Or payment. Payment pay. A sound. That is the A sound I'm talking. That is sound of E. So speak the example. SN. SN.
SN.
Yeah. Okay. And second one.
Egal.
Not egal, it's egal. Egal. Okay. After A, it is one consonant, so it's the A sound. That becomes egal. Clear? If you see right hand side,
In general,
sorry.
E has that A sound, right?
Yes.
In the ABCD, we learned that
Yes,
E we call as A.
That is a letter name. So you can assume here that okay, for E the letter name and the sound is same. A only. Okay. Right? Okay. In case of E, the letter, but don't learn like that, okay? Because only very few letters are there which are having this kind of thing, that letter name and sound is same. It is, I think, only E is there. So don't make that kind of shortcut. Okay, keep that topic separate. Letter names is a different topic. Okay, ABCD, AFK, that is different. That is over. Right? Now sounds you have to learn it manually, learn it separately. That okay, E is having the A sound. This becomes egal and SN.
Okay.
Okay. right? So if you see after the word, you will see something written in the double quotes, right? These are the sounds actually, okay? These are not the words. The word is this only. The actual word is this only, left hand side. In the middle, it is the sound. Just for your reference, after the class, if you want to go through the sound, you can just refer that, okay? Egal, tragen, fragen, something like this. Alt. Don't make it ult. It's alt. It's just a way to write the sound, okay? Don't take that h literally. Don't make it ooh. It's simple alt. Okay, and the right hand side is the meaning. So meanings we are not discussing right now. Leave the meanings. No need to read them. Leave it. Okay, just focus on the sound only. SN and egal. Next is I. I is having two sounds. After I, if it is one consonant, then long E. Again, you have to do the counting here. If it is one consonant, then long E, otherwise short E. If the count is one, then long E, otherwise short E. So if you see the example I double S T, after I, how many?
3.
3, short E, ist. Okay, then WIDER, after I, how many?
1.
1, long E, wieder. Okay, little bit A will come in the E case, ER, wieder. Then
Wieder.
yes, wieder. Then BILD, after I, how many?
2.
2. And if you remember that table BDG, PTK, D in the end is the, this becomes built.
T. Yeah,
Okay.
B becomes T.
Built. So ist, wieder and built. Got it? Okay,
Okay.
now you see here. If you see GIB, after I, how many?
1.
1. Long E, geep. Okay, geep. Then KIND, how many?
2.
2. Short E, kint. Then TAG, how many?
1.
1. Tak.
Okay. So this rule is for every vowels. So
Everywhere,
after E, I, O, U, if there is 1, then we have to make the sound accordingly. Or
Yes,
2, then
yes, everywhere, entire language. Okay, unlimited number of words, lakhs, crores of words are there in German language. Everywhere these rules are 99.99% applicable. These are the only rules which will take your pronunciation 95% closer to the native sound. Okay, so use these rules blindly without having any doubt in them. Okay, I have not invented them. I also got in bits and pieces from somewhere, so I made the PDF like that. But use them blindly. Okay, you are there in Germany, you can start cross-checking them. Okay, you will see a native. How does a native say? Native always say Guten Tag. He never say Guten Tag. Indians say Guten Tag. Okay, so you have to say Guten Tag only, right? So they are not knowing that kind of rule, but the person who thought of these rules, he documented them like that. Okay, so 99% they are applicable. 1% you will get the exceptions. Always remember. Okay, if you are learning 3000 words till B1, out of that 30 will be exceptions which you have to learn separately in terms of pronunciation. Okay, not more than that. 30 is the maximum I'm telling. Of out of 5000, 50 maximum, not more than that. But the remaining 4900, you can follow these rules blindly. Okay, and only these you have to follow. There is no other alternative, no other medicine for getting the pronunciation. This is the only solution. You have to remember these rules there, because there are no other tricks. There are no other rules apart from these rules. Okay, so these are the only rules which can get you to the correct pronunciation. So you have to learn them and retain them. So that's why we spend that much time. Each and every letter we'll take. You will see right now I'm taking few letters only. Then once you reach the next lecture, you will see I'm taking the vowel combinations. You will see today itself 3-4 vowel combinations, and then after that you will see I'm making you read some passages, some 2 or 3 page passages. Okay, so by the end of 2.5 lecture or by the end of third lecture, this topic will be over, which is usually not taught anywhere. Okay, so people directly start with your ABCD and then directly your greeting and all. Okay, if you have seen any, and I'm not talking about India or Germany, anywhere you see, that is the pattern going on. Okay, so this is how they go, and that's why the person faces problem, because if you see German, I told you, they write something else, they speak something else. That is a difficulty. And secondly, the word length is like 20-30% more as compared to what you have in English. Okay, in English you will see like 6, 7, 8 letters are maximum. Very rarely it crosses more than that. In German, 8, 9, 10 letters are very much normal in the word length. Okay, so at that time, if you have the rules, then only you can even think to speak that correctly. Without the rules, you will keep on doing it and try. Whether you are speaking right or wrong, you yourself don't know. But with these rules, you are not only speaking right, but you are speaking right with confidence. You know that okay, you have practiced it somewhere and then you are speaking. Okay, so that is the benefit of doing these rules. So
Okay,
be
so
right.
this all the rules I have to remember by heart. I mean, all the
Definitely,
time.
definitely, definitely. We'll spend that much time. Okay, don't worry. Automatically, you will be able to remember. Today itself, you will be able to remember this complete PDF. Okay, you don't have to do any extra effort, but just make sure after every lecture. See, initially 1 or 2 lectures there will not be any homework, but I told you on WhatsApp after every lecture there's a homework of 2.5 to 3 hours. If you want to clear B1 in single attempt, make sure you are taking my words very very seriously. When I say 2.5 hour, you have to study for 2.5 hour. You can do more than that, but not less than that. And that homework will start possibly after lecture 3 and 4. Once we reach the grammar, once I give you the vocabulary, as soon as you keep going ahead, you will see lot of things are coming up. Okay, my course is very much short and concise. Okay, we don't make a person sit for years to clear B1, which is the usual trend. If you go outside now, 400 hour, 600 hour, 800 hour, that kind of show off is going on, that okay, this is the length of our course. So we don't believe in that thing. Okay, so directly you will be able to get the German to German touch also. You will be able to speak the language very fluently at the end of the course, by the not by the end, by 60% of the course. If 75 lectures is the duration for B1, by the end of 55 or 60 lectures, you will be very much fluent in the language. And secondly, by the end of 75 lectures, you will be in a position to clear the B1 exam. All these things depend not only on just attending the lecture, but they depend morely on how much time you spend on the homework. Okay, so if you spend that 2.5 to 3 hours, then definitely you will get very very good result, because you are there in Germany. You can like after a few sessions you can start interacting outside also. So with that, your listening skills will get improved, and your if your listening skills are good, then you can understand remaining things are all very easy. Reading, writing, speaking, they're all very easy modules. Listening is the most toughest module of the exam, so you have to practice most over the listening, whether you practice from YouTube or whatever. All that thing you will see in the course, but you just have to make sure of one thing: you are devoting time of that
Okay.
2.5 to 3 hours. That is what you have to do. Okay, now what to study, what are the sources, what YouTube, which channel, everything I'll be telling, all vocabulary, everything you will be getting. So you don't have to buy any book or dictionary. Just make sure you are doing the homework. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so A, E, and I we have done. Okay, I'll take two more and then I'll give you this PDF to read. So O is having two sounds, O and O. After O, if it is one consonant, then O sound, otherwise O for awesome. Okay.
Okay.
After O, if it is one consonant, if the count is one, then O like solar, Korea, Oman. Okay, the O sound. Otherwise, O for awesome. So speak the example. Order.
Order.
Next.
Zol.
Zol. So as you will see in the consonants in the next class, single S is Z and double S is Sa. Okay, single S is having the Z for zebra, and double S is normal Sa. So if you see, it's single S, that becomes Zol. So, so don't call it Sol or Sol or Zol, nothing, all are wrong. Only Zol. Okay?
Zol.
Yeah. Next.
Monad.
Monad. Next.
Monad. Okay. Corp.
Corp. B in the end is per, and after O, two consonants for awesome, corp. Okay, just like in English we have corporation. So if you take the CORP of that is a sound, corp. Then next is U. U is having, it's not having any counting, it's a normal U sound. Neither it is too short nor it is too long. Normal U sound. Speak. Tun.
Tun.
Next.
Mutter.
Mutter. Next.
Shoe.
Shoe. Okay, so see, this is what I was talking. Combinations. Once we finish everything from A till Z, in the next class you will see I'm discussing about combinations. So what are combinations? What they have done, they have made some pairs of some letters. Okay, some pairs of 2 or 3 vowels or 2 or 3 consonants coming together, and they have fixed their sounds. So SCH is one such combination. SCH sound, they have fixed. What is the sound? The sound is sh. Right?
Sure.
The sound is sh. If you have heard of these companies like Robert Bosch, Schindler, Schneider, these are some German companies. Okay. So the sound is sh. So that's why we say shoe. And H in the end is silent. Okay. This you will see today. H in the end is silent. This becomes shoe.
Okay.
Right.
So this is applicable for every word. H in the end is silent.
Everywhere. Okay. In the end also, in the middle also, everywhere it is silent. Only in the first portion it is her for honey. Okay, H for honey.
Mhm.
So you will see once we reach H, we'll do it today only. Okay. First, what I'm doing, I'm sending you this PDF file on Skype.
Okay.
Okay. So you download this file and go through the rules from A, E, I, O, U. Whatever we have done, only that much so far.
Mhm.
Okay. Only A, E, I, O, U you have to go through the rule, go through the example. After 5 minutes, you tell me what doubts you have. Okay. And then you will explain me all the rules from top. Only A, E, I, O, U. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Just downloading it.
Yeah. Okay, go through it and then we'll discuss from the top.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I'm going through it. Just give me 2 minutes and then I'll tell you.
Yes, yes. Try to remember the rule, okay? Go through it 3, 4, 5 times. Try to remember the rule.
Yes. Yes, I've gone through it.
Start from the top. Speak the rule and the example. Okay. You tell me if you have
Yeah,
any doubt
okay.
first of all. Anything you want to ask.
Yes. Could you please share your screen?
Yeah.
I just have one doubt.
Yeah.
In the I section, could you please go to the I?
Yeah.
Okay, so here you made this three letters. I mean, you wrote three times double E, I, H, and the above one I, E, A. So what is this I, E, A? That sound? I
This
mean,
one. This one.
no, the above one in the I, E, A. Above, go above, a little bit above. Yes, here the first one I, E, A. Yes, this one.
I cannot see any. This is T-E-A. This
Yes,
is T.
okay,
Long
T.
E. Yeah. Long E like T. That was the example. Like long E like T, sheep, deep, tree. That is a long E. And short E like ship, trip, okay, dip, kick. That is short E. Got it?
Okay.
Okay. So you have to just remember long E. Okay. This is the English example actually. Long E like English word T. That is what I am saying here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
So now start from the top, speak the rule and the example in short, okay, from this BDGPTK.
Mm-hmm. Okay, sure. So if the word is ending with B, D, or G, then the sound will become like P, T, and K respectively. For example, GIB becomes geep, KI and D becomes kind. Kind, right? Kind, yeah. And TAG becomes tag, like Guten Tag.
Yeah, next.
Now coming to the A sound. So A make two different sound like A and U, right?
No, not U. That's
Is it U?
A and A and A. Okay.
Okay, this is AH, right?
Yeah,
AH or
A and double A and UH. There's nothing called H here. That is just the way to write Okay, otherwise how will I write So just remember A and Okay.
Okay, A and A. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So now, when there are more than one consonant after A, then the sound will become A. I mean, this AH. I'm having difficulty speaking this AH.
Alt
Could you
and then
please repeat it
Fragan.
again?
Alt, Fragan, Tragan. Okay, that's A and A. Alt, Fragan, and Tragan.
Okay, but in alt, I mean, there's no any sound of AH, something like that.
Nothing. No H will come. Sound. You have to see the sound. Sound is UH is the way to write a sound. Otherwise, how will I write a sound? So don't take it literally. Don't take it that H sound. Okay, it's like for Aman. You can just remember this Aman example. Okay.
Okay.
Right?
Okay. So it's only A and A, right?
Yes, exactly. And A. There's no H, nothing. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So if there are more than one consonants after A, then the sound become A, like alt.
Yeah,
and
correct.
if it's only one consonant after A, then the sound become A, like Fragen, Tragen.
Correct. Okay, Fragen and Tragen.
Okay. Now coming to the E, it will make the sound of A, like Essen, egal, like this.
Correct. Essen and egal. Clear?
Yeah. Okay. Yes. Could you please scroll down a little bit?
Correct. Next is I. I is having two sounds, long E and short E.
Yeah, long E and short E. Okay. Like Ist.
Ist.
If there are more than one consonants after I, then
Hmm.
it will become E sound.
Correct. Long E and short E.
Ist.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Ist, wieder, and built.
Ist, wieder, and built. Okay. Next, O.
Yes. Okay. For O, there are also two sounds, O and ow,
O.
right?
O and O. After O, if it is one consonant, then O sound. Otherwise, O for awesome.
Oh,
Okay.
okay. So if there's only one consonant, then it's like order. If there are two consonants, it will be like zol. Then monat and corp.
Corp. Okay. B in the end is pa. Oder, zol, monat, and corp.
Corp.
Okay.
Okay.
Good. Next, U.
Okay. And you will only make one sound like U. For example, tun, mutter, shu. And H at the word ending, it will be always silent.
Exactly. Okay. That is always silent. Okay. Got it now till here?
Yes, but again, I mean, I need to practice it and remember it.
Yeah, definitely. Obviously. Okay. Next is B. B in the end is per and beginning or middle is this one. Beginning or middle is B for Bombay. Okay. B in the end is per and beginning or middle is B for Bombay. So speak the example. Belen.
Balin. Okay. Balin, Obain, and corp. Yeah,
Corp.
at the end, corp. Okay.
Correct.
Middle
Corp.
also B, front also B.
Yes. Belen, Oben, Corp and Geep.
Corp and Gip. Okay.
Okay. Belen, Oben and Corp and Geep.
Okay. Balin, Oben, corp, and Gip. Geep.
Yes.
Okay.
Then after B, next we have is C. C is having the k sound. Okay. C is having the k sound. So speak the example. Camping. They have taken this word from English. So you can simple say camping as well. That's also correct. Okay. Camping.
Okay. Camping.
Yeah.
Okay.
Next is D. D in the end is t. And beginning or middle is D for dog. Okay. D in the end is t. And beginning or middle is D for dog.
Okay.
Yeah. So speak the example. Dome.
Doom.
Next.
Okay. What is this?
This is EI.
Sorry?
EI is a vowel combination. Okay, I was talking about combinations. So EI is a vowel combination. This becomes bider. EI is I. Okay. EI is exactly.
Okay.
EI is I. So speak the example. Doom, bider.
Doom, bider.
Bider.
Weeder. Bat.
Bart and hunt.
Bat. Okay. Bat and hunt.
Okay. Doom, bider, weeder, bart and hunt.
Hunt.
Exactly.
Okay.
Okay. Simple. So EI is I and IE is E. EI and IE are two vowel combinations. EI is having the I sound and IE is having the E sound. Always remember. EI is I and IE is E.
IE is E. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Correct.
Okay.
So these combinations you will again see in the next class. I'll be taking them in detail. So you will see at that time. EI is I and IE is E. Then
E. Okay.
Yeah. Next is F. F is having the first sound. So speak the example.
Yeah.
Foul. Yeah. Again one more combination. AU is ow. Okay. You have to always remember these combinations. Yeah. AU is ow. Okay.
Ow. Okay. Foul and shaft.
Correct. Foul and then shaft. SCH is combination. I told you. SCH is sha. This becomes foul and shaft.
Sure. Okay. Yeah. SCH is always like sha.
Sure. Exactly. Then next is G. G in the end is ka and beginning or middle is ga for gun. Okay. G in the end is ka and beginning or middle is
ka.
Yeah. Beginning or middle is ga for gun. In the end it is ka. From that table na BDG PTK, that one. Okay. So speak the example.
Yeah.
Gegen.
Gegen,
Hmm.
Tag,
Hmm.
and Klug.
Klug. Gegen, Tag, and Klug. Next is
Klug.
H. H in the beginning, first portion is her, and middle or end it is silent. Okay. H in the beginning, first portion is her, and middle or end it is silent. So speak the example. Halt.
Halt,
Next.
Gehen,
Yeah.
and
Zayn.
Zen.
Zayn. Okay. Halt, Gehen, and Zayn.
Okay.
Right. Halt, Gehen, and Zayn.
Zen.
Next
Yeah.
is J. J is having the year sound. Speak the example. Junga.
Junge.
Yeah. Okay. Next is
Junge.
Junga. Correct.
Okay.
Next is K L M
Okay.
N
And
P.
here,
Mhm.
sorry to interrupt. So
Yeah.
here at the end, E also we
Yes,
made the
yes,
sound
yes. That is the rule. That is the
UH.
rule.
Okay.
See, I gave you here. Na? E in the end is always a. If you see Bida, so E in the end is a. Always remember, E in the end is always a. So that is Bida. E in the end is a.
Okay. Okay.
So
So
hmm.
D and K that we use here frequently, Danke.
Yes,
So that is
yes.
also not Danke, that is
No, no,
Danke,
not
right?
danke. Make it danker, danker. Will come. Okay. There are two words. One is danker and one is dankeshion. So when you see dankeshion, that is a single word. So there E is coming in the middle. So you can make the A sound, dankeshion. But when you say only D A N K E, don't call danke. Okay, see, many people call like that also. So not a major mistake. But always prefer danker. Danker. Okay.
Danke.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So we have done G, H, J, Junga, and then last one is K, L, M, N, P, K, L, M, N, P, same like English. Okay,
Okay.
same like English, K,
Okay.
L, M, N, P. So speak the example, Klasse.
Klasse.
Hmm.
Klasse. Okay. Schicken.
Hmm.
Keller.
Hmm.
Will.
Hmm.
This is Atman.
Atman, little bit. Atman.
Atman.
Hmm.
Okay. Schwimm.
Hmm.
Rennen.
Hmm.
Braun.
Hmm.
Lippo.
Lippa. Okay.
Okay. Lippo.
Yeah.
Okay.
Got it. So this completes our letters till P. Okay, so go through the PDF once. Okay, we'll be doing till here today. First, you go through the PDF. Let me know if you have any doubt, and then we'll again revise the complete PDF from A till P. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. For the J, anywhere it can come in the word, but it will make the sound Y, right?
Yeah. Sound will come.
Okay. Irrespective of the position.
Yeah. Go through the PDF. Tell me if you have any doubt. A till P. Revise everything.
Yes. Okay, yes. Could you
Hmm.
please just speak once again? Danke and Junge.
Danke, Junge. Okay.
Danke, Junge. Junge.
Yeah.
Okay, but then we are not speaking UH at the end, right? That is,
No,
I
no,
mean,
no,
it's
nothing,
not
nothing.
there.
No, no UH, no UH. Junge, Junge, Junge. Okay, it's nothing called UH. That is
Mm-hmm.
just the way to write that, na? Otherwise, how will I write Junge? Okay, that is the only alternative. So don't take that literally. You don't have to speak the H sound. No H is there. Okay, Junge.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay,
Okay.
so Junge, Danke,
Yeah,
that's it.
this one, Danke, Junge, Schuller, Beide, all are normal only in the end. There is no H.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, now you can
Mm-hmm.
see my screen. Do one thing, speak the examples from the top. Only the examples you have to speak. Okay.
Yes,
Hmm.
just a minute. Let me do full screen.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Hmm. Give.
Gieb,
Hmm.
Kind,
Hmm.
Tak.
Hmm. Next.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Alt, Fragen, Tragen,
Hmm.
Essen, Egal.
Hmm. Next.
Yeah. Ist, Wieder, Bild,
Hmm.
Oder, Zoll,
Hmm.
Monat, Karp,
Hmm. Next.
Tun, yeah, Tun, Mutter, Schuh,
Hmm.
Belen, Oben, Korb, Gieb,
Hmm.
Camping,
Next.
Doom,
Hmm.
Beide, Wieder, Bat, Hunt.
Hmm. Next.
Yeah. Voll, Schaf,
Hmm.
Gegen, Tag, Klug.
Very good. Next.
Yeah. Halt, Gehen, Sehen,
Hmm.
Junge, Klasse,
Hmm.
Schicken, Keller, Will, Atman, Schwimm, Rennen, Braun, and Lip.
Yeah. Renan, Brown, and Lipper. Okay.
Braun. Is it
Brown.
like
AU.
normal brown?
Yeah. No, ow. AU is ow. Okay. Renan, Brown, and
Oh,
Lipper.
okay, brown. Okay,
Yeah.
lip. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it. So we'll do till here today. Okay. See, I'm going a little bit slow initially because you can see there are a lot of rules. So I'm not hurrying away. You take your time. There is no hurry. We have sufficient time available. Okay. But whatever we are doing, we need to
Yes.
do it properly and try to finish maximum content in the class itself so that like at least your doubts and everything try to clear in the lecture itself so that after the class you just have to revise it once. Now I think 70 to 80% of the content of the PDF you already remember, right? You just have to go through it once for like 30-40 minutes maximum, not more than that. Okay, so initial
Mm-hmm.
one or two lectures, as such, there is no major homework, just revise this PDF only. I don't think it will take more
Yes.
than 30-40 minutes, that should be sufficient. And don't do anything else, no YouTube, no Google website, nothing. Okay, let me complete the topic. Okay, once we finish this
Yes.
pronunciation, possibly by the next lecture, then after that you are totally free. Whatever source you have, any magazine, newspaper, whatever you can take in hard copy or online soft copy, you can start practicing it out there. Okay, because there are no other rules after that. Okay, but initially don't open everything to read, just restrict to this PDF only, because we have not done all the rules. We have done only till P. Now after P we have from Q till Z, then we have the vowel combination, consonant combination. Okay, so far we have done only 30-40% content, only 60% is still remaining of pronunciation.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
So let's do till here today. And usually this time suits you. You told me, right? Mostly.
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Okay.
because by 5:30 I get free from the office work and everything. So
Okay. Good, good. So I think, yeah, 6 o'clock we can keep then. Okay. So, okay, so 1 second, let
okay.
me close this. Yeah.